Hi there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So this video is on how to use a food scale and reviewing the Amazon basic scale. Okay. So what you need to do is one, have an empty cup, okay, and tare it. You always want to tare it because if you like this cup right here, it weighs about 9 ounces, okay, and I tare it, it's to 0. Now that it's 0, I'll add water. I'm gonna do this again so you can see it. Ooh. Okay, I spilled some water. That was not my goal mine, but now it adds up. It adds on to 2.3 ounces. Okay, I tared it, so it was 0. So now there's only 2.3 ounces in that cup. Okay, and a little bit of the drips that are on the side. That's why you want to tare things. Okay, you want to put a bowl down if you want, right? For example, I have a bowl over here. You want to put a bowl down, tare it, put the food on there, and you'll have the accurate weight of the food. Okay. Some people, I've heard stories about some people doing other weird things, but that's the basic way you want to do it. Tear something, tear the plate, tear the bowl, tear the cup, and then pour the food on there so you get an accurate weight. Okay. So I'll show you it from the other side. Okay. Here is the Amazon basic scale, food scale, and I'm gonna add this plate. Now I want to add that plate. It's 12 ounces on the dot. 12 ounces on the dot. Okay. Let's pretend this cup is food. Okay. This cup is food. Okay. Maybe do I have some actual food right here? No. I just have raw chicken in the fridge. Okay, so let's add this. Boom. 11.5. Take it out. It's 0. That's how you want to weigh your food. That's how you want to use this. Same for water, right? For water, you do the same thing. Right. Let's do a water one. Okay, so this is, let's say that's empty water, empty cup of water, and then you want to put juice or something. Right? How much? 8.5 ounces. Okay, it's about a cup. Actually, 8 ounces is a cup. So yeah, there you go. Okay, that's how you can accurately weigh your food, liquids, etc. Boom. You could also tear it, right? And tear it. Now, the units. Okay, there's ounce and pounds, or pounds and ounces. We have milliliters. We have fluid ounces, and we have grams. Okay. And we go back onto pounds and ounces. Okay, so this is a really good scale. It has all those units. Okay, and it's very sturdy. It goes up to pounds. Okay, and it has these little sticky things for the tabletop, so it doesn't move around. It's a good firm foundation, and it's with batteries. Okay. This one is not one of those little inner embedded batteries. You buy batteries, okay, for it. Okay, there you go. So it's a good scale. It'll give you all those measurements, all those units of measurement, and yeah. Okay. Hope you learned how to use it. And if you have any questions, just comment below. If you want to get yourself this scale, this exact scale, okay, click the link in the description. Okay. Thank you.